Hi guys, welcome to my first plan with me. I'm using a PaperMuseCrafts kit that I'm about to lose, so I didn't actually get to use these beautiful pages. I lost the kit almost immediately. So great start to the new year, but there's the kit. I did get to use a good amount of it, which is good. Here I'm just pulling out some of my own glitter headers that I printed for myself. And here we're starting to speed things up. I'm just figuring out how I want to lay out the boxes throughout the page. You might have noticed it's a foiled kit, which is super cute. One of my kind of goals for the year is to use more foil or acquire more foiled items so I can use more foiled kits because I think those are really pretty and I didn't use that many in 2017. So yeah, first week of the year, first planner video ever. Me and Shelby are starting out this channel just to see how we like it and kind of keep memory of how each week went and, just have that memory keeping aspect of keeping these videos along with the actual planner. So, yep, just getting down my glitter headers here, and then pretty soon I'll realize that I don't really know what I'm doing in this new planner, so I'll stop the video, figure it out, and then it'll magically be perfect. There's that moment. Ta-da! So, like I said, those glitter headers were my own. Just put down that weekend banner, and now we're going to get the bottom washi that says say hello to new beginnings, which is cute, and it's in that foil, which I love. Yeah, I think I'm going to get started on those page flags, maybe do that sidebar. I didn't really know beforehand too much what I was going to be doing during the week, so this first segment of the plan as I go is pretty boring. I'm just putting in those few things I knew. These page flags are for dog sitting because my parents were on a Caribbean cruise without me this week, so that's super fun for them. Wasn't as fun for me in Minnesota with negative temperatures here. It's really cold, so whatever. And then putting down a box for the day they were coming home, and then I'm starting on that sidebar. Put down some foiled washi in between things. I really wish I hadn't lost this kit because there were a lot of pieces that I would have loved to use, but I am glad that I did get to use as much as I did before I lost it, because I lost it right after this little plan as I go session, you could say. So in the next couple clips I will not have the kit anymore, sadly. But yep, just throwing in some deco on the top, being really particular about where I place them apparently, but I do like it to look purposefully scattered, I guess. I like making sure it looks the way I like it. Throwing in some munchkins here for those dog sitting days, and then another munchkin with a little suitcase for when my parents come back. And then here you can see the focus kind of changed for the second section of the video. I apologize for that. It's a lot worse. I'm learning things as I go, I guess. So I apologize. In the next one, hopefully I'll have the focus right throughout the whole video. But anyway, just putting down the things I did. And it was kind of a struggle, like I said, because I didn't have any of that kit that I had been showing you in the earlier parts of the video, so I had to just use what I had. So I did a lot of white space this week, which is perfectly fine. That's how I like to do it. So yeah, just throwing down lots of munchkins. Those are the only character stickers I've used so far. So yeah, just munchkins. Here comes a fox and cactus girl for some happy mail that I had on Tuesday. And this book here, I'll show you guys in another video. It's kind of how I organize my miscellaneous stickers. I think I've seen actually quite a few other planner girls do similar things to that. So I'll explain it more in a different video, but basically I just glued in parts that I didn't know how to organize. So that's what that book is. I'll be pulling from that a lot. That was a PaperMuseCrafts sampler that I was looking at there. I'm going back to that book with miscellaneous parts. And yeah, a lot of these characters, I couldn't tell you where they're from because, like I said, they're from this book, and they've been cut up, so I don't know where exactly which shop they came from. These credit cards are from Nikki Plus 3, I can tell you right now, because I can see it on the screen. Throwing that on a little thing for a bill I had to pay, I believe. And then using those car stickers from Sweeping Plans, I think. And then just filling in that part of the week with my Once More with Love anniversary box pen that I actually won an anniversary box. I wouldn't have been able to purchase one, but I was very lucky to win a box. So love that pen. It writes really well. So I've been using that on every spread since I got it. So yep, just filling in those things. Every time I pause, I'm like checking my phone to see what exactly I'm supposed to fill in there, since I'm forgetful. So yeah, that is the first half of the week pretty much filled in. I like the way that looked. And then we're gonna move on pretty soon. Oh, get some sidebar action going. Throw down some to-dos for the week. And yeah, here comes the second part of the week. All right. So I like to do this a lot, put in half boxes vertically, especially on days that I don't really do anything, or when I did one thing for a large amount of time, which is what I'm putting it in for here. I designed all day on that day, made my puppy love kit, which is in my shop, Nova Prince Co. Shameless plug. And then I also just put down another sticker from my shop, or the first sticker from my shop that I've shown in this video. That Binge Watch Brooklyn Nine-Nine, that's one of my stickers. It's a little drawing of Rosa from the show, and it says Binge Watch Brooklyn Nine-Nine. That's a fun sticker. Been watching that show a lot lately, really love it. Dig it for sure. And then the next day I put down one of those little cute girls with a planner for organizing my stickers. Here I'm going through a bunch of clip art stickers to find a Happy Mail one. What else we got? Looking for a little thing. A sticker for doing nothing, basically. Love those Once More with Love stickers for that. I had a big problem with just like leaving things on top of my planner as I was planning, which blocks the viewer's ability to see what's going on, so I apologize for that. This is my very first video, so if there is anyone watching, bear with me. I'll get there. I'm just learning that there are certain things that you can't do or should do for a video rather than just planning by yourself. So even just this first video that I've done taught me a lot, and I think I'll do a lot better in the next couple videos. So yeah, here I'm peeling up that sticker. I gave a little thumbs up because it peeled up really badly. Because my parents came home at midnight that night rather than in the morning. So I like to have my days kind of chronological, so I moved it down to the nighttime, if you will, or the end of the day. And then I threw in another binge watch sticker from my shop that said The Office sticker. It has Jim from The Office on it. Grabbed a Target sticker because I went and got groceries. What else? I don't really know what to say during these little lulls. Another thing that hopefully I'll get better at. Those two stickers were from the back of the planners. So the one that I layered behind was from the 2017 planner from Erin Condren, and the one in the front is from the 2018 planner, and it has a little bit of foil on it. So I wish I had thought about those and used them earlier in the week. I don't know what I was doing with my hands just then. Just to throw that out there. It was kind of silly. Okay, layering some stuff and then just gonna write in the rest of the week. So I hope you guys liked this video. I know it did have quite a few issues, especially for me as the person filming it. Losing the kit and whatnot was not fun, but hopefully, like I said, the next videos will be better. And I hope you enjoyed this one regardless of the issues. So yeah, give us a subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye-bye.